Get ready for the Neet challenge. And a direct question from NCERT Bio is: scientific names should be in Latin, Greek, English, or local language. Comment your answer and do like and share for further direct NCERT lines question. And the correct answer is Latin.
Number of spices that are known and described range between 1.7 to 1.8 million, 17 to 18 million, 0.7 to 0.8 million.
Comment your answer and do like and share.
The correct answer is 1.7 to 1.8 million.
The lowest taxonomic category is taxon, species, or kingdom. The correct answer is species. Vibrio bacteria is rod-shaped, comma-shaped, spherical-shaped. The correct answer is comma-shaped.
Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Slim mold form Plasmodium under unfavorable condition, favorable condition, adverse condition. The correct answer is favorable condition. Which of the following show extrinsic growth? Snow mountain, bacteria, spirogyre. The correct answer is snow mountain.
Amoebia reproduce by regeneration, fragmentation, fission. And the correct answer is fission. The International Code of Zoological Nomenclature set rule of scientific naming of plant, fungi, animal. The correct answer is animal. Who developed the system of binomial nomenclature? Aristotle, Carolus Linnaeus, Lamarck. And the correct answer is Carolus Linnaeus. Scientific names are generally taken from Sanskrit language, Latin language, Greek language. And the correct answer is Latin language. In scientific name of mango, word indica indicates generic name, specific epithet, or family it belongs. And the correct answer is specific epithet. Wheat belong to family Solanaceae, class Poales या order Poales. And the correct answer is order Poales. Genus is a group of related species, order, or family. And the correct answer is spices. G is all the three names Indica, tuberosum, and Leo represent genus species of family. And the correct answer is spices. The word taxon signifies scientific name of organism, development process of organism, a taxonomic group of any rank. And the correct answer is taxonomic group of any rank. How many obligate category are there in taxonomic hierarchy? 6, 7, 5. And the correct answer is 7. Lowest category of taxonomic hierarchy is taxon, species, or genus. And the correct answer is species. Carnivora include group of organisms belonging to related species, related genera, or related family. And the correct answer is related families. Which of the following represent phylum? Mammalia, Chordata, Carnivora. And the correct answer is Chordata. Which obligate category have minimum number of common character? Kingdom, classes, family. And the correct answer is kingdom. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.